All right, now we are on slide 4. What you're going to do on that document is you're going to start off by typing your name on it. So come down here. Again, your desktop app should be down here in your taskbar. If you click it once, it automatically opens. Right here is where you're going to enter your name. Joe Schmo. Put your real name. Okay, then I'm going to go back to Chrome. Notice down here in your taskbar, if you're working between two apps on your taskbar, you can drag and drop them next to each other, so you have to travel less space to go between them. So I'm just going to click on Chrome now. It's going to pop that back up. It says the document's already labeled ABC, so on and so forth. And you're just going to look at these, what it's telling you to do, and you're just going to type your responses. So for example, A says type your first name and last name. So again, if I were Joe Schmo, type here, Joe Schmo. The next one, going back, just opening up Chrome by clicking on it, says your middle name. So next to B, I would type Joe Blow Schmo. And I'm going to go back. C, your parents and guardians' names. I'm going to go back, type my parents and or guardians' names next to C. Pretty easy. Go ahead, and I'm not going to go through all of those with you, but go ahead now and complete the rest all the way through J, and I will see you on the next slide.